Congratulations on the purchase of this CDI player. You can use this compact disc with the remote control provided. Move the yellow triangle around the screen by pressing the round disc. Make your choice by pressing key 1 or 2. On this disc, we'll go step by step through all the sophisticated features your CDI 450 offers you. You can interrupt me at any time by pressing any key on your remote control. If you need more assistance, just press the Help key at the bottom. Welcome to the main menu, the central point of this disc. From here you can go to the chapter on accessories, the configuration menu, the chapter CDI 450, or to the information on CDI titles. Press the language key to choose another language and the exit key to quit this program. Welcome to the wonderful world of CDI, a world where everything is possible. CDI offers you a wide variety of titles to choose from. It allows you to experience a whole new way of playing games, educating and entertaining the children, expanding knowledge, watching movies and music videos. Every time you see a digital video label on a specific CDI title, you'll need the cartridge to play the disc. Play CDI games and experience excitement like never before. Many games are available. Here's a taste of what's to come. In The Seventh Guest, you encounter the mistress of Mr. Stauff's haunted house, along with a complement of guests. In stunning 3D scenes, you move through the different rooms, look for clues, and try to solve bizarre puzzles. 6 people are invited. Who'll be the 7th guest? Get mixed up in the electronic rush of Burn Cycle. Beginning in the heart of the Softtech Corporation, you have to shoot, bargain, persuade, and plot your way out of trouble. The challenge awaits. There's trouble in old Tucson. You have to save the town from Mad Dog McGree and his gang of bandits. Blaze your way in the streets of the Old West. Will your shooting be good enough to complete the job? Go get 'em. Take a trip to the highest levels of competitive tennis with 2 players. You can choose your nationality and your tournament. Select a playing service and away you go. Find your way through the 5 levels of the labyrinth to the overworld to bring back the mystic pizza of plenty. On your way, keep an eye on your health bar and beware of the lost souls of unfortunate Divils. Good luck and enjoy that pizza when you get it. Your children will love CDI. They'll enjoy playing and, what's more, they'll learn by actively participating. Try your hand at these. A visit to the Sesame Street letters and numbers lets your children play with Bert and Ernie and all the other famous characters. Together they'll learn by playing games, solving riddles and making rhymes. They can read and count while listening to amusing stories. Play games with your favourite cartoon characters like the Flintstones, Yogi Bear, the Jetsons and many more. Cartoon Carnival rewards you with the original classic cartoon clips in digital video. Loads of fun. Can you imagine yourself as one of the characters of Asterix? To defeat the Romans, it'll take lots of observation, reflection and game spirit. It's up to you, so good luck. Keeping up in an ever-changing world is easier when you use CDI. It's now possible to have access to all kinds of information in the comfort of your own home. Try these. Looking up an item in Dictionnaire Hachette on CDI is just a matter of seconds. In an interactive way, you can browse through thousands of different topics. Videos, animations, graphics and audio are all at your fingertips. Is your sign compatible with that of your friend or loved one? Do you already have your detailed birth chart? Now you can discover the fascinating history and principles of astrology. Based on the best-selling Mysteries of the Unknown, Life Astrology is the ultimate guide to the stars. Have you ever traveled through the solar system? Experienced the incredible sights of the planets, the sun and the asteroids? As commander of the space shuttle, they're all within your reach. A Child is Born from the internationally best-selling book of Leonard Nilsson reveals a fantastic inner world. It captures every stage of human development from the actual moment of conception to birth. Look, listen and feel. CDI movies and music videos caress your senses. Enhance your viewing experience and enjoy superb quality movie and music video with the use of your DV cartridge. Who doesn't get goose pimples hearing Torra a Sarmiento or O Solo Mio? Placido Domingo, Luciano Pavarotti and Jose Carreras sang all of the best-known songs at their famous concert in Rome. You'll enjoy this fine masterpiece. The Cure's Show features highlights from the band's live stage show in Detroit. It includes hits such as Pictures of You, Lullaby, In Between Days and many more, as recorded on their show concert on CDI. David and Diana Murphy can end their financial worries if they accept the offer of billionaire John Cage. All he asks is one night with Diana. Can their marriage survive if they accept? What happens when your body dies but your spirit doesn't? And what happens if you meet your actual murderer? In Ghost, Whoopi Goldberg provides the answers. Watch now in digital video. We hope you really enjoy your CDI player. Bye for now.